Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT to Fiat Wallet on your crypto.com app. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. All we need to do to transfer our USDT to your Fiat Wallet on crypto.com is open your crypto.com app. Launch the app on your mobile device and log in securely. Navigate to your crypto wallet section where all of your digital assets are displayed. This will include your USDT balance. You now need to select your USDT holdings and tap trade, followed by convert. Then choose your preferred fiat currency such as USD or euros, or even your local currency from the available options. Carefully review the current conversion rates, the applicable fees, and final amount you will receive. Once you're satisfied with all the terms, confirm your transaction to convert your USDT into fiat currency. Access your Fiat wallet and select withdraw or transfer. Choose your verified bank account or linked payment method to complete the final transfer to your traditional banking system.